Hello my friends, today I would like to show you the paints for Tesla, exactly for Tesla Model Y, because here is a paint for wheel covers, and today I would try to paint wheel cover, and we will check is it fit this color for wheel cover or not. And here is also one white color here, and another it's also for I have a white Model Y, and I have one damage, and later we will try to fix it. So we need two different paint for repairing, because it's white and our it's like, I don't know how explain, it's make it's here is a purple color, I think so. But now we will try to paint my wheel wheel cover. Here is my Tesla Model Y wheel cover, and we have here these damages. And now I will try to paint, and after we will check is it fit this color from this bottle or not. Let's try to do it together. Silver gray color. Well, I think it's a good color. One thing what I recommend to do, it's to paint things not inside of home, but when you have sunshine outside, it will be better, because this light from lamps, it can be make some another color, and better to check your job and do your job outside. It will be better. Yes, now I see that this is a good color. It's fit. Sorry. Of course, if you want to make it good, you need to make it better. Well, it's just for I wanted to check is it good or not, and I see it's good. If you will watch this, check this job from some distance, you cannot find it. I think it's good now. Of course, better to remove these scratches, maybe put here some, I don't know, maybe glue. Maybe later I will show you how I will do it. Maybe, I don't know. But we will later also make repairing of my damage on the paint with these two bottles. This I will use this paint for it. I have a purple white color of my Tesla Model Y, and we will fix it together. So welcome to my channel, and we will you will watch it, and you can use my method of repairing also. This is just for checking is it fit for this color of wheel cover or not, and I think so that it's fit. You can buy it. I will leave link under in the description of video. You can go there and you can use this link to buy the same. I forgot to show you the seller put in this bag in this package also sandpaper. I don't know what kind of, maybe it's 800, maybe 1000, 1500, maybe, I don't know. Here is nothing, but it's good. It's there is no written about it. It's like present for buyer, and yes, I chose this and this. But if you will check, there is this separately for color for wheel covers, and separately this set two colors. This is white color and this is purple color. You can buy it separately, this set and this bottle separately. So I explain bottle for repairing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You can see it's very good, very nice. Now I said you that if big distance you cannot find that here was damage. Thank you, bye bye.